All right, in this video, I want to talk about how to price small repair jobs profitably. So basically, we get a lot of questions asked. The people call us all the time. Hey, I have this small project. Do you guys do small jobs? And the answer is always yes. Absolutely, we do small jobs. But I always say to the client, like immediately, I say, hey, listen, like I'm going to tell you, we have a minimum charge. So if you can fit in as many things as you need done at that one time you want us to come out there, it would make more sense, you know, because we would hate to charge the minimum charge, which is usually, I mean, it depends, man. It's just really hard for me to send out one of my techs, one of my guys, to go, across town to hang one picture frame for what, $20? That probably doesn't even cover the gas or the time going out there and coming back. Might have to go to Home Depot and get some anchors. It's not worth it. So I always tell the client, listen, hey, you want us to come in and hang a picture frame, our minimum charge is this. And if you have anything else that you'd like us to do while we're there, the minimum charge covers the first hour. Please feel free to, add as much things as you want onto, that your to-do list. Because, we will come out there to hang one picture frame, but it's going to be the minimum charge. And I always let the client know that. And some people are just in the super rush and they really need it done and they have no other options that they do it. But I always make sure that my guys know when they're there, like, hey, like, try to do as much as you can, for that client, because we're charging the minimum here to just hang one picture frame. And sometimes customers will add a few more things while we're there that we'll just take care of it, But I think that's the only way to profitably charge for a small repair. I think small repairs are super important. There's been countless times where, a customer called us to come and do a small job, like hang a picture frame or hang a towel bar in a bathroom, or adjust some cabinet doors real quick, or hang blinds, and they always call us back a month, 2 months down the road for something bigger, So I think small jobs are super important. You should never say no to small jobs just because it's not worth it. But, you should definitely not go somewhere and take hours out of your day and spend gas for $20-$30, not even $50, man. I mean, the cost of living these days, so just be clear with the client. Just be transparent, and just tell them exactly what's what, small jobs are important, man. You got to do those small jobs because they will lead to bigger things later. And hey, man, if I could go do a small repair job real quick and collect the minimum, and really majority of that minimum is going to the tech that went out there for his time and labor, and the company probably makes a couple of bucks, but a 5-star review for a quick 1-hour job it's sweet. It's really sweet, So I will take all the small repair jobs that I can get. Even if the company doesn't make any money and majority of the charge is going to the tech, I'll still do it. I'll run it because I could get a 5-star review. To me, the 5-star reviews are more important than just making a couple of bucks, to be honest with you. So yeah, that's my opinion on small repair jobs, guys. Please like, follow, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions, any suggestions. If you're a business owner, please tell me how you go about handling small repair jobs or anything at all. Any questions, please feel free to comment and like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.